A grape diet, guys, I've said it over again. When sometimes you want to share something with somebody because you know it's the absolute truth and you know that it can transform their health, and yet people don't want to believe it or hear it because they think it's too simple. They have heard that healing is very complicated, and now you are trying to tell them that a grape only cleanse for 2 to 6 weeks can do remarkable things to their health in terms of regaining their health. They don't want to believe you. But the truth of the matter is, if I've seen grapes and grape diet only diet do some pretty amazing stuff that you will never even imagine. So whenever you don't feel right, you want to get your health back, you want to regain your health, a good start is a grape only cleanse. Absolutely fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of a grape only diet. Ideally 2 to 6 weeks, okay? Depending on how long or what you're trying to heal. But a grape only cleanse means breakfast, lunch, and dinner, nothing but grapes. It should be dark grapes like the black, red, or purple. And you want to use the 5+5 as a bare minimum and a kidney herb. And I'm telling you for a fact that you will see transformations that will change your mind completely about what it takes to heal the human body. The grape only cleanse. I'm big on that. So make sure you try it, okay?